Yenti sim yemfa Black Stars de ne nhyase na FIFA World Ranking latest one abetodwa na babetodwa no otim said nyema 60 kan ka kono Black Stars ye 60th for year position no na eguso da anya sem keto akra Ghana Africa de ye 11th we de ayana FIFA deba ekira modern bo country bia ebo latest one abetodwa ya hwe sekon bia so Ghana betima ko ayani mu a ye da 60 ani obia pre-60 ni ho ya de P60 no enti ya free 60 and the Africa de ya toso 11 in September Manchester boy no de brand amfan kwanim amfan kwachi eti no ne de ekoso enso wo eho na wo ka de ekoso wo ewiase afana nyina de na Argentina wo mo na lead and France toso mienu Brazil toso miensa England toso enan Belgium toso num Croatia toso nsia Holland toso nso na Portugal ngotwe Italy enkron Spain toso edu. We're the top 10 countries in the world. The top 10 countries in the world. You see, Shannon Sosa Efmame na Oba Africa na chese kwambia so makachiro. Se to de bia yana Morocco Botswana. Say Morocco Africa nyina won na lead we are seeing na toso 13th. Senegal toso mienu Africa we are seeing na toso 20. Tunisia toso miensa wa Africa we are seeing na toso 29. Algeria toso 9 wa Africa we are seeing na toso 34. Egypt toso enum wa Africa we are seeing na toso 35. Nigeria di ho Cameroon ba Mali ba Cote d'Ivoire Burkina Faso nyina di enim na Ghana yesi was kinkrin 60th in the world. I don't know the yakoso everyone some so eba Yaka Black Stars one some they say the 2023 Africa Cup of Nations draw no ebeba so anya some keto akra na ebaswa na on the 12th of October na ebeba so port na betodwa Ghana de yaka kakon anhwa ye ne Senegal beko group mu ye betimi ni Ivory Coast akọ group mu ye betimi ni Morocco akọ ye betimi ni Tunisia akọ ye betimi ni Egypt na Algeria mu ba akọ esan so nyina egu port 1 anya some keto Ghana ye gire mu port 2 na ye ne the likes of Nigeria Mali Burkina Faso DR Congo mu na port 2 Cameroon mu nyina ewo mu there's no chance say yen ya bobo ye Nigeria Cameroon Mali Burkina Faso DR Congo mu de ye behia na omo bobo mu di osoro no mu bi betima ba group mu the likes of South Africa Cape Verde Equatorial Guinea Zambia Guinea and Mauritania mu nyina port 3 omo so mu ba ko betima ba group mu na fe Guinea Bissau Mozambique Namibia Gambia Angola Tanzania mu nyina so port 4 ti we and the enche no esiete in the drawer ye hwa ni mu se ebeba so ni mu na wo kan ne sa no patro the Ghanaian Premier League match day 2 so beba so ye mo nwura me nhwe de ebekọ so ne first match beba so for quarter no ne R2 bebo at 3 p.m. Sunyane Coronation Park na ochena Gold Stars atena fiato sa frame tema kumasa sane koroko na mo de apem so de bibia ni Jones Park now kwase danie Adriana Stars ne medie ma bebo na Jemambadu Park na Bechem United so Dream Chefs abo na Fosu Abo Park Maxwell Hansen na be center referee so game ni na Karela and Prekum Chelsea so abo Aliu Mahama Stadium now Nations FC atena field Dr. Kwame Chase Sports Complex this Samantes abo na House of Folk ni so atema so de abo ni the Accra Sports Stadium now Heart of Lions and the Great Olympics bebo the Wafa Park so gakope etishan so sa enso FMI now Joda Accra Lions and Lagos Cities and bebo we and sen enhye no esi etie the Ghanaian Premier League mo match day 2 ye de won some enso ebrewo ye ka ne sa no na empanifo a wo mo ne di teams ahodo na nim ne bia kasa Koopman wono coach man department so folk wo dey to gas first match mo sua ne ma bebre afi mu a wo mo di wura so atema game mo make mistakes kra e man so atema me rough for Accra Sports Stadium.
I think it is a young team, a new team, and we have a lot of expectations of them. Inside we say a lot of things, but outside we careful to say something because it's a young team and you never know what's happened. On Sunday I think it will be not easy because we play at home and we lost the first one. The second one, of course, we want to win, but all teams want to win. I think it will be a nice game, also for us to show the fans that we are ready.
Now, Koopman said we are ready. Na okopie mu ometema Kumasi Asante Kotoko kachi omni Gold Stars nebo Prosper Nete Ogum one na coach panipa edima metema odensam tudwa se place no we se obia gina so pe bia boti hwe ono ka so wada ne tie ne ya but check match no ne se ne match no identity and be place so bebo.
I'm happy about the quality we have in the team. All that we need to the individual players need to do is to be more committed to the approach towards the game. I mean every game it's a big game for Kotoko. Every team that can plays with Kotoko gives more than 100%, and this is how it's going to be throughout the 34 games. So it's a good eye opener for the newcomers, and for the old guys. It tells them that they need to lead the fight for victory.
They need to lead the fight for victory. Wayne and Sama Prosper Nete Ogum, where coach Panipadima, Matema Kumase Asante Kotoko, what they to a jahti. Matches now bust this weekend. And easy, yes. I'm saying, Yavas Kudus Mohammed, up on the first goal. Yes, about the first goal for West Ham United. Hey, Kudus and Yaju.
What are your initial thoughts on that game?
I think we wanted the goals in the first minute in the first game so that we can control the game more, but we didn't have it in the first half, but we went down, but the winning mentality from the guys were all good, and then we kept doing what the coach taught us, and then the results came afterwards. The final quality, we dominated the game in the first half, like you said, but we weren't able to score, so we knew the final quality had to be better in the second half, and then hopefully it happened. For me, I think we knew what we were doing from the start of the game, so whether we are down or up, we still keep the same mentality and how we've been taught to play. So I think we just kept doing what we know best, and then the results came after.
First start for you, first goals at home. How good did that feel?
Yeah, really, really good. Like I said, I'm here to help the team, and as you have seen today, just did my best for the team, and then hopefully we got the 3 points.
How's your relationship developing with the team and with David Moyes? What instructions is he giving you in the role that he wants you to play?
Like you've seen, I've been here for a short time, but it feels like I've been here for a long time already, because everyone around the team helps me a lot. They make me feel like a family already, and then I just follow the instructions from the coach, and then
Wayne Samoa Kudus Mohammed. At the Tuja after Salboa, the team, Mamotimi Winnie or Sanshe Gokra, na Europa League in Mono, Babab Duraman, so Ejimo de Mapio, Kefono, Arches, Omujamo, Siaka, Panya, Sam Ketwa, now Chamomo, Siaka, this weekend, Ewa Europa League in Mo, Nanya, Baba, why are there? Sans and Professor Wassan, Obo Europa League, Wedma, Roma, every 2-1 over Sheriff, and I think Liverpool, every 3-1 over Lask, me, Sans at match, where John matches, Brighton over Biom Echo AEK Athens, and of course, 3-2 near Paul. My ass name I say game, 3-3. Shannon Sosa family winning other games and pass. So Roma they will win 2-1 over Sheriff. Lukaku Ebo go for Roma once again, and by Leverkusen and so Ebo hiking for a Kanaya woman to me auntie. There was a Conference League games and Conference League so Gugumuan Bobo Biani at the Adiana and Ketuakra. It's so a war on the Zana Yatitiswa Manaka. In Tebika Kra or Tontino. Yes, Ania. And Friday, and Yabesha Biwa, na Oshana, and Yadia, I can see Bebra and Opa, Auntie Ashen was half mammy. Now, F pack, the BX tablet, upon San Ferican when you buy penny by quiet F pack. BX tablets, so much a bit too much for sending a BX tablets. Yes, MTN, my MTN app, no, download my MTN app, no. Because my MTN app no and na ba CJ phone so all small because I want transfer bibia to so ama no that's it bibi da so a chese enya sam keto akurati and no press CJ sresre because ekoyi ayi sika na kurade na efita fita ni mo 100 and ya no bebri fitasa and abetum ti ekoyipa abusia DBS Industries Limited DBS roofing papa fie DBS bodane so DBS sidano DBS DBS omo tete so ba bia wo bia so omo de bekwa koja o DBS aba omo ye sponsors anopa bia omo ke omo ye nsamna de bro kai say Sergio Manucho Matalaja kwa champion let's kwa Stone right time and Rafael and a face soro James Ohineba Makion Professor Wallace ye nyina ye pani ya now de nankasa aka Kegyiwa ne ho Eric Asiedu Boadi page 1 ye de wasi sa no but show no go so ekoso twaso nsam ni koso atie